Hello and welcome to Analyst Sultan, where I help you master tracking and analytics. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to enable Shopify data layer and set up Facebook browser site tracking using Google Tag Manager. We will cover everything from installing the Facebook pixel to tracking key events like page view, view content, add to cart, checkout, and purchase. By the end of this tutorial, you will be ready to optimize your ad campaigns with precise data insight. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will never miss out on valuable tutorials like this one that's help you grow your business data driven strategies. In this video, we will learn these topics. Before diving in, let's quick understand what browser site tracking is and why it's important. Browser site tracking captures user interaction like page view, clicks, and conversions directly from your browser and send this data to Facebook by the pixel. Benefits of Facebook browser site tracking: real-time data. You get immediate feedback on user actions to optimize campaign faster. Audience building helps in creating custom and lookalike audience for retargeting. Ad optimization improve ad delivery by providing Facebook with critical event data. Cost-effective setup, easier to implement compared to server-side tracking, making it ideal for small to medium business. While it's affected by ad blockers and privacy updates like iOS 14, browser site tracking remains a foundational setup for most business, starting with Facebook ads. Now we will learn what is the data layer and why it's so important. A data layer is like a container that stores data about your website and user actions such as viewing a product or completing a purchase. This data is passes tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or TikTok ads for tracking and optimization. Without a properly configured data layer, your tracking might miss key event or send incomplete data. Ad platform like Facebook, TikTok might struggle to optimize campaign. You lose insight about user behavior, making it harder to improve your store's performance. By enabling the data layer, you ensure accurate structured data flow to all your marketing and analytics tools, making your tracking more reliable and actionable. Here's why this setup is a game changer. Better ad optimization. Platforms like Facebook and TikTok can use this data to serve better ad and improve ROI. Details analytics. You can track every setup of the customer journey from product view to checkout, reduce tracking errors. Structured data ensures your reports are accurate and actionable. Enable the data layer is a small but powerful step toward scaling your Shopify store effectively. Now let's set up it. Before starting Facebook browser site tagging, I need to enable website data layer. This is my website. If I click data layer checker extension, we will not find out any data layer here. So I need to first data layer enable. So go to my Shopify admin section. This is my Shopify admin section. Then click on settings. Now click on customer events. This is the Shopify sandbox system. Manage app and custom pixels that access customer events with enhanced privacy and security. This list only show app pixel that use the Shopify web pixel API. This support pixel integration. This is not Facebook pixel. Now I need to give a name here for pixel name. So I type this name data layer, then click add pixel. Here I need to paste my data layer code. So go back to my documentation. I need to copy this code. I already copy this code, then paste here. Now I need to change some things here. Now I need to change this GTM code. Go to my Google Tag Manager web container. This is my Google Tag Manager web container. I need to copy this code only GTM code. So copy this code, then go back to my Shopify admin section, then paste here this code. Now I need to change some things here. Everything is okay. Now I need to click here. Data collection does not qualify as a data cell. The pixel will collect data when this customer of out their data being sold. So now click to save. Now I need to click connect. Now I need to go my website, then click again reload. If I click data layer checker, we will see our data layer is enabled. So now I need to set up Facebook browser site tagging. So go back to my Facebook event manager, then click on connect data source. Firstly, I need to create a pixel or dataset ID. So firstly, I need to select web, connect your website to share activity and accurate online, including view content, add to cart and participant. So click on next. Now I need to click create new dataset. Firstly, I need to give a name for this dataset and click on connect. Shows how to connect your website. I want to connect manually, so select this, then click next, then again click shows how to connect your website. I want to set up meta pixel, a small piece of code your website and send web activity, loading errors, connectivity issues and ad blocker, and browsers may sometimes prevent a pixel from sharing that activity. So click on next, then again click finished. Our dataset ID create done. Now I need to click dataset. This is my Facebook pixel dataset ID. This is the dataset ID. So now I need to change some settings. If I scroll down, now I need to click automatic website matching turn on. Now I need to change some things here from date of birth, turn off date of birth and gender. Now I want to create a Facebook page event. So go back to my Google Tag Manager, then click on new. Then find out Facebook pixel tag template. Here is no Facebook pixel tag template, so click on discover more tag types in the community template gallery. Now search here Facebook. This is the Facebook pixel tag template. Then click on add to workspace, or Facebook tag template added on our workspace. So now I need to create this tag. So firstly need a pixel ID. So go back to my Facebook event manager, then copy dataset ID, then go back to Google Tag Manager, then again click on plus signs. I want to create a constant variables for Facebook pixel, so paste here, then give a name for this variables, then click save. Everything is okay. Now I need to create a triggers, so click on plus signs, then again click plus signs, then find out custom events. So what type of events need here? If I click our pixel helper, our Facebook pixel event is page underscore view. So copy this, then paste here, then give a name for this triggers, then click save. Again click save. This is the page view event, so give the name of page view event. Now I need to create view content event. So I need to send some event parameters like container is content names, content type, categories, contents, and currency and value. So firstly need to create a variables e-commerce dot items. It needs only variables. If I click any product, which variable need to create here? So click on here, then again click view items, then again click e-commerce. I need to create this e-commerce, then items, copy e-commerce, then go back to my Google Tag Manager web content and then click on variables, then again click new, then find out data layer variable. First I need to paste e-commerce, then dot, then again go back to my website, then click on view items, then again click e-commerce, then again click here, need to index items, copy items, so paste here, then give a name for these variables dlb items, so paste here, then click save. Now I will set up Facebook view content event. So again click on new, then find out Facebook pixel, then firstly need to pick pixel id, meta pixel id, then again click here event name is view items. So again click object properties. I need to send some object properties for this view content event tracking. So go back to my documentation. Firstly need to copy content IDs, then content name, then content types, then content categories, then contents, then currency and value all of these parameters. Property name is Facebook recommended it. So firstly need to send content IDs. So click on plus signs, then again click plus signs, then find out custom JavaScript. So go back to my documentations, then firstly need to copy this code, then paste here. Now I need to change this part. So I already created variables, so select these variables, then copy this name, then paste here, then click save. Now I need to create content name. So again copy this, then go back to my Google Tag Manager web container, then select custom JavaScript. Now I need to change this part, then click this name, CJS items name, then click save. Now I need to select content type is product, so I will type this product, and content categories. So again go back to my documentation, then click copy this code, then again click plus signs, then find out custom JavaScript, and paste here this code. Now I need to change this code, then go back to my documentation again, then copy this name, then click save. Now I need to send contents, then again click plus signs, then find out custom JavaScript, then again go back to my documentation, then copy this code. Be careful, here is item ID strings, quantity numbers, and item underscore price numbers, so be careful. Then need to change this part, items, then give a name for these variables, so paste here, then click save. Now I need to create currency variables. So firstly need to go to my website, then click on extension. If I click on view items, then again click on e-commerce, then again click here. Firstly need to pick e-commerce, then currency. So I already created a documentation here, so copy this, then again click plus sign, then again click and find out data layer variables, then paste here, then give a name for these variables, and then click save. Now I need to create value, so copy this again, then again go back to my Google Tag Manager web container, then click on plus signs, then find out data layer variables, so paste here, then give a our all of object properties create done. Now I need to create triggering, so click on plus signs, then find out custom events, then go back to my website, then click on extension, then click again view items. So our event is view underscore items, so I need to copy this for trigger, then go back to my Google Tag Manager web container, then paste here, then click on, then give a name for these triggers, then click save. Now I need to save our tag name, so again click here, our tag name is view content, then click save. Now I need to check it, our Facebook page view and view content tag is working or not working. I need to check it, then click on preview. Here we will see that Google tag is not found because our data layer is a sandbox data layer. So here Google Tag Manager preview is not working. So I need to go to my website, then click on home. If I click Google Tag Assistance, you will see that our page view event is working. Then if I click any product, if I click Meta Pixel Helper, we will see all of these informations like content category. Here is no content category, so no set. Then content name, content types, contents, and currency, value, everything is here. So everything is working. Then go back to my Google Tag Manager web container. Now I want to set up Facebook add to cart event. So again click on Facebook pixel, then I need to set meta pixel ID, then click on add to cart, then find out object properties. I need to send sub object properties. So again go back to my documentations. Now I need to send content ID like as view content, then content name, content type, content category, contents, currency and value. Now I need to select content IDs. I already created content IDs in the custom JavaScript variable. So now I need to select content name, already created items name, then content types. Content type is product. So type here. Then content categories. Content categories already created. Now I need to contents. So need to create a new extra variables for this add to cart contents, then find out custom JavaScript, then go back to my documentations. Now need to copy this code, then paste here, then I need to change this variable, then this is the DLB items, then give a name for this variable. So copy this variable's name, then paste here, then click save. I've already created all of these variables documentation. So if you need this documentation, please check on video description or comment sections, you will find this link. Now I need to select currency variables, DLB currency, then value. This is the value. Now I need to create a triggering, so click on plus signs, then find out custom JavaScript, then go back to my website, then I need to click any product, then click on add to cart. If I click our data layer checker plus, we'll see that add to cart event. So need to copy this add to cart, then go back to my Google Tag Manager web container, then give a name for these triggers, then click save. Now I need to save this tag, so paste this name, then click on save. Our Facebook pixel page view content and add to cart setup done. Now I need to set up Facebook checkout event. So again click on new, then find out Facebook pixel, then select on meta pixel ID, then select event name initiate checkout. Where is initiate checkout? Then click on object properties. I need to send some object properties. Again go back to my documentations. Firstly need to copy content IDs, content names, content type, content category, contents, and currency, value, and number of items. So I already created content IDs variables, so select this, then content names already created, content names, then content types. Content type is product, then content categories already created, content categories, then contents, then I need to select contents, FB contents, not add to cart, then need to select currency. I already created currency variables, then select value, already created value. Now I need to create extra variables, number of items, then click on new, then find out custom JavaScript, then go back to my documentation, then copy this code, then paste here this code. Now I need to change this part. Then need to change this value variables name, then click save. Now I need to create triggers, so click on plus signs, then find out custom event, then go back to my website, then click on checkout. Now click on data layer checker. This event is begin checkout, so copy this begin checkout, begin underscore checkout, then go back to my Google Tag Manager, then paste here, then paste again event name, then click save. Now I need to save this tag, so this is the begin checkout tag, then click save. Our Facebook pixel page view content, add to cart, and begin checkout setup done. Now I need to set another text for purchase, so select again Facebook pixel, then select meta pixel id, then need to select purchase, then find out object properties. Now need to go back to my documentations, so I want to set a purchase event. So firstly I need to set up these content IDs, and paste here content IDs, content names, content types, content categories, contents, currency, value, another one is number of items, and order ID. So need to select content IDs. I already created content IDs, variables, then content name, then content type. Content type is product, then content category, then contents. Need to select every contents, then currency, already created currency variables, then values. This is the DLB's value. Then number of items, I already created number of items. This is the number of items. Then now need to select orders underscore ID, so paste here, then go back to my website. Now I need to create a demo purchase, then fill up this demo informations, then click pay now. Now I need to click data layer checker, then click on purchase, then again click on e-commerce, then I need to click transaction ID, pick order ID. So first I need to pick e-commerce, then transaction ID. I already created documentations for this value. Then again click plus sign, then click on plus, then find out data layer variables, then paste here, and give a name for these variables, then paste here, then click save. Now I need to create a triggers for purchase event, so find out custom events, then go back to my website, then click on data layer checker, then need to pick purchase, then paste here, then give a trigger names, then click save. I need to send some extra events, so here I need to click on enable advanced matching, then click on customers information data parameter, then I need to send some informations. So firstly need to send email, So where I find out email, if I click on data layer checker, then click again purchase, find out emails. So email is this the emails, so copy these emails, then go back to parameter section, parameter value sections, then I need to create it variables, data layer variables, so paste here, then give a name for this value. Then another one is phone, then first name, sorry, last name, state, city, zip, and last one is country. So phone number need, so go back to my documentation again, then click this value, then again click plus signs, then find out data layer variable, then paste here, then give a name for this value, then click save. Pick first name, so first name is customer underscore first name. If I click our again data layers, then where is first name, customer underscore first name, plus signs, then again click plus signs, then find out data layer variable, then copy this, then paste here, then paste this name, then click save. Now I want to pick first last name, so again copy last name, then click again plus signs, then again click plus signs, again click data layer variables, then paste here, this is the last name, then click save. Now for state is this, copy this, then again click plus sign, then again click plus sign, then find out custom data layer variables, then again paste here, then give a name for this variables. Now I need to pick city, so again click plus sign, then find out data layer variables, then this is the city, so copy this city's value, then give a name for this variable, then click save. Now for zip code, so copy this zip code, then again click plus sign, then find out data layer variables, then paste here, then click save. So now I need to create for country, so again click on plus signs, then find out data layer variables, then go back to my documentation, then copy this, then paste here, then give a name for this variable, then click save. Our all of information create done, then I need to save this tag. This is the purchase, so I need to give a name for this purchase, then click save. Now I need to submit this tag, then again click publish, then continue, then again click on workspace. Now I need to go back to my website, then I need to complete a purchase, then click on add to cart, then view content, then checkout, and fill up all of these dummy informations, then click on pay now. Our purchase is complete. If I click on Meta Pixel Helper, we will see all of these informations here, like product information, currency, everything is here. So our setup is perfectly okay. I need to check it on Facebook Event Manager. Facebook Event Manager, all of these informations sent up 30 minutes. So I need to wait for it. If I check on Facebook Event Manager, we will